everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix block blast stuck on loading screen. If block blast says the loading screen stays on loading screen forever, it's often a connecting or a sync issue. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one is more stable. Also, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. After that, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find block blasts, close the app and then reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. If you're using a VPN or a private DNS, turn it off. These can block game servers. Next, go ahead and open your app store and then check for updates. Search for block blast and check for updates. A mismatch between app and server versions can cause loading loops, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. Once the connection is stable, the loading screen should pass normally. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.